Have you ever wondered how to make your favorite dishes even healthier without sacrificing flavor? Welcome back to Thrive, your go-to channel for education and making everyday life better. Today we're excited to dive into the world of healthy cooking techniques. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting out in the kitchen, these methods will help you enhance the flavor and nutrition of your meals. So, grab your apron and let's discover how to cook delicious, wholesome dishes that nourish your body and delight your taste buds. Let's get started.
Healthy cooking is more than just a trend, it's a cornerstone of overall well-being. The techniques we use to prepare our meals can significantly impact the nutritional value and flavor of the food we eat. By adopting healthy cooking methods, we not only preserve the essential nutrients but also bring out the best in our ingredients. One of the most compelling reasons to embrace healthy cooking is its positive effect on our health. Cooking methods like steaming, grilling, and roasting help retain the vitamins and minerals in our food, which can often be lost through traditional frying or boiling. This means we get more of the good stuff, like antioxidants and fiber, that our bodies need to function at their best. Furthermore, healthy cooking allows us to control what goes into our meals. By preparing food at home, we can limit the use of unhealthy fats, excessive salt, and sugar. This not only makes our meals healthier but also supports better weight management and reduces the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Another benefit is the enhanced flavor that healthy cooking techniques bring to the table. Methods like roasting can caramelize vegetables and meats, adding a natural sweetness and depth of flavor. Grilling can impart a delicious smoky taste, while steaming preserves the pure, fresh taste of ingredients. By exploring these techniques, we can create dishes that are both nutritious and incredibly tasty. So, as we dive into the world of healthy cooking techniques, let's remember that we're not just making meals, we're nurturing our bodies and enhancing our culinary skills. Whether you're looking to improve your health, manage your weight, or simply enjoy more flavorful meals, healthy cooking is a rewarding and enjoyable practice to adopt.
One of the most versatile and beneficial cooking methods is steaming. Steaming is a gentle way to cook food that helps retain nutrients, moisture, and natural flavors. It's especially great for vegetables, fish, and even some meats, allowing them to maintain their vibrant colors and fresh taste. When we steam our food, we avoid the need for added fats or oils, making our meals healthier. This method works by using steam from boiling water to cook the food, which sits in a steamer basket above the water. The food never comes into direct contact with the water, preserving its nutrients and preventing it from becoming waterlogged. To steam effectively, it's important to use the right tools. A simple steamer basket that fits inside a pot is a great starting point. For those looking to steam larger quantities or more delicate foods, a dedicated electric steamer can be a worthwhile investment. When steaming, it's essential to ensure that the water is at a consistent simmer and that the steamer basket is not overcrowded, allowing the steam to circulate evenly. The cooking time for steaming can vary depending on the food. For example, leafy greens like spinach might only take a few minutes, while denser vegetables like carrots or broccoli could take a bit longer. It's always a good idea to check for doneness by piercing the food with a fork. Steaming isn't just for vegetables. It's also a fantastic way to cook fish. A delicate piece of fish steamed with herbs, lemon, and a splash of white wine can make for a flavorful and healthy meal. The steam infuses the fish with the aromatics, creating a dish that's both light and satisfying. By incorporating steaming into our cooking routine, we can enjoy meals that are both nutritious and delicious. It's a simple yet effective technique that can elevate the quality of our dishes and support our overall health.
You're tuned into Thrive, your essential hub for education, insight, and enhancing your everyday life. Stick with us and let's thrive together.
Grilling is another fantastic method to prepare healthy and flavorful meals. This technique involves cooking food over an open flame or heat source, which imparts a delicious smoky flavor while reducing the need for added fats. Grilling can be done on a traditional outdoor grill, a stovetop grill pan, or even an electric grill. One of the primary benefits of grilling is that it allows excess fat to drip away from the food, resulting in a lower fat content. This is especially beneficial for meats, as it helps to reduce the overall calorie intake while still providing a satisfying and savory taste. To achieve the best results, it's important to preheat the grill to the appropriate temperature. This ensures even cooking and helps to prevent sticking. For added flavor and tenderness, marinating meats and vegetables before grilling can make a significant difference. Marinades can be made with a variety of ingredients, such as olive oil, citrus juices, herbs, and spices. Not only do they enhance flavor, but they also help to tenderize the food. When grilling, safety is paramount. It's crucial to use long-handled tools to avoid burns and to keep a close eye on the grill to prevent flare-ups. Cooking times can vary depending on the type and thickness of the food, so it's essential to monitor doneness. For meats, using a meat thermometer can ensure that they are cooked to the appropriate internal temperature for safety and taste. Grilling isn't limited to meats. It's also an excellent way to prepare vegetables, fruits, and even certain cheeses. Grilled vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and asparagus become wonderfully caramelized and flavorful. Grilled fruits, such as pineapple or peaches, develop a natural sweetness that makes for a delightful dessert or salad topping. By incorporating grilling into our cooking repertoire, we can create healthy, flavorful meals that are sure to impress. It's a versatile technique that adds a unique taste to a wide range of foods, making it a favorite for many home cooks and chefs alike.
Roasting is a versatile and healthy cooking technique that enhances the natural flavors of food by caramelizing its surface. This method involves cooking food in an oven at high temperatures, typically between 375 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius to 232 degrees Celsius. Roasting is ideal for vegetables, meats, and even some fruits, allowing them to develop a rich, deep flavor without the need for excessive fats or oils. One of the main benefits of roasting is its ability to bring out the natural sweetness in vegetables. Foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts become caramelized and tender, making them more appealing and flavorful. To roast vegetables, simply toss them in a small amount of olive oil, season with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs, and spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast them in the oven, turning occasionally until they are golden brown and tender. When it comes to meats, roasting can create a crispy exterior while keeping the interior juicy and flavorful. For example, roasting a whole chicken with a mix of herbs, garlic, and lemon can produce a delicious and healthy meal. To achieve the best results, it's important to use a meat thermometer to ensure the meat is cooked to the appropriate internal temperature. Roasting isn't just limited to vegetables and meats. It can also be used to enhance the flavor of fruits. Roasting fruits like apples, pears, and stone fruits can intensify their sweetness and create a delightful dessert or addition to savory dishes. Simply slice the fruit, toss with a bit of honey or maple syrup, and roast until tender and caramelized. To make the most of the roasting technique, it's essential to use a preheated oven and to not overcrowd the baking sheet. This ensures even cooking and prevents the food from steaming instead of roasting. Additionally, using parchment paper or a silicone baking mat can make cleanup easier and prevent sticking. By incorporating roasting into our cooking routine, we can create healthy, flavorful meals that are both satisfying and nutritious. It's a simple yet effective technique that can elevate the quality of our dishes and support our overall well-being.
This is Thrive, your top resource for learning, enlightenment, and everyday life transformation. Keep listening and let's thrive together.
Sautéing and stir-frying are two quick and healthy cooking techniques that can preserve the nutrients and flavors of your ingredients. These methods involve cooking food in a small amount of oil over high heat, which helps to lock in the taste and maintain the texture of the food. Sautéing is a versatile technique that works well for vegetables, meats, and even grains like rice or quinoa. The key to sautéing is to use just enough oil to prevent sticking and to keep the food moving in the pan. This prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Using a non-stick or stainless steel pan can make this process easier. When sautéing, it's important to preheat the pan before adding the oil and ingredients. This helps to sear the food quickly, which enhances the flavor and keeps it from becoming greasy. Start with ingredients that take longer to cook, such as onions or carrots, and then add more delicate items like garlic or leafy greens towards the end. Stir-frying is similar to sautéing but typically involves higher heat and constant movement. This technique is a staple in many Asian cuisines and is perfect for creating quick, healthy meals. The high heat ensures that the food cooks rapidly, preserving its nutritional content and vibrant colors. To stir-fry effectively, it's best to use a wok or a large, deep skillet. The shape of the wok allows for even heat distribution and makes it easy to toss the ingredients. Just like sautéing, it's important to preheat the wok before adding oil and food. One of the great things about stir-frying is its flexibility. You can mix and match a variety of vegetables, proteins, and sauces to create endless combinations. Lean proteins like chicken, shrimp, or tofu work well, and you can add a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, snap peas, and broccoli. To finish, toss everything with a flavorful sauce made from ingredients like soy sauce, ginger, garlic, and a splash of citrus. By incorporating sautéing and stir-frying into our cooking repertoire, we can create delicious, nutrient-rich meals in a short amount of time. These techniques are perfect for busy weeknights and offer a healthy alternative to traditional frying methods.
Poaching is another healthy cooking technique that involves gently cooking food in liquid at a low temperature. This method is perfect for preserving the tenderness and delicate flavor of foods like fish, eggs, and fruits, making it a versatile addition to your culinary skills. One of the main benefits of poaching is that it doesn't require any added fats or oils, making it a low-calorie cooking method. The liquid used for poaching can be water, broth, wine, or a mixture of these, often enhanced with herbs, spices, and aromatics to infuse the food with subtle flavors. To poach effectively, it's important to maintain a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil. The liquid should be kept at a temperature between 160 degrees Fahrenheit and 180 degrees Fahrenheit, 71 degrees Celsius and 82 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the food cooks slowly and evenly without becoming tough or overcooked. For poaching fish, a flavorful broth or court bouillon can be used. Simply bring the liquid to a simmer, add your fish fillets, and cook gently until the fish is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. This method is perfect for delicate fish like cod, salmon, or trout. Poaching is also an excellent way to cook eggs, resulting in a tender and creamy texture. To poach eggs, bring a pot of water with a splash of vinegar to a gentle simmer. Crack the eggs into individual cups. Create a gentle whirlpool in the water and carefully slide the eggs in. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set but the yolks remain runny. Fruits like pears, apples, and stone fruits can also be poached to create delicious desserts or toppings for breakfast dishes. Poach them in a mixture of water, honey, and spices like cinnamon and cloves until they are tender and infused with flavor. By incorporating poaching into our cooking repertoire, we can create light, flavorful dishes that are both healthy and satisfying. It's a gentle cooking method that enhances the natural taste of ingredients while preserving their nutritional value.
Enhancing the flavor of our dishes without relying on excessive fats, salt, or sugar is key to healthy cooking. Here are some tips to elevate the taste of your meals while keeping them nutritious. 1. Herbs and spices. Fresh or dried herbs and spices can add a burst of flavor to any dish. Consider using basil, cilantro, rosemary, thyme, cumin, paprika, or turmeric. Experiment with different combinations to find what works best for you. 2. Citrus and vinegars. A splash of lemon juice, lime juice, or a bit of vinegar can brighten up the flavors in your meals. Citrus zest can also add a fragrant, tangy note without added calories. 3. Aromatics. Garlic, onions, shallots, and ginger are aromatics that form the flavorful base of many dishes. Sautéing these ingredients can create a depth of flavor that enhances the overall taste. 4. Healthy fats. While we aim to reduce unhealthy fats, incorporating small amounts of healthy fats can add richness and flavor. Consider using olive oil, avocado oil, or nut oils sparingly. 5. Broths and stocks. Using homemade or low-sodium broths and stocks can add depth to soups, stews, and sauces. They impart a savory flavor without the need for additional salt. 6. Fermented foods. Foods like miso, sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt can add umami and tangy notes to dishes. They also come with the added benefit of supporting gut health. 7. Roasting and grilling for depth. As discussed in earlier segments, roasting and grilling can caramelize the natural sugars in foods, enhancing their sweetness and adding a smoky flavor. These techniques can create a robust taste profile without extra additives. 8. Natural sweeteners. If you need to add sweetness, consider natural options like honey, maple syrup, or agave nectar. Use them sparingly to maintain the nutritional integrity of your dishes. 9. Layering flavors. Building flavors by layering ingredients at different stages of cooking can create complexity. For example, adding herbs at the beginning of cooking and finishing with fresh herbs can give a dish multiple dimensions of flavor. 10. Seasoning throughout cooking. Seasoning your food at various stages of the cooking process can ensure that flavors are well integrated. Taste as you go to adjust seasoning to your preference. By utilizing these tips, we can enhance the flavor of our meals naturally, making healthy eating a more enjoyable and satisfying experience. These simple yet effective techniques will not only make our dishes tastier but also support our overall health and well-being.
Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore healthy cooking techniques. From steaming and grilling to roasting, sautéing, stir-frying, and poaching, we've discovered how these methods can enhance the flavor and nutrition of our meals. By incorporating these techniques into our cooking routines, we can create delicious and wholesome dishes that support our overall well-being. Healthy cooking isn't just about making food. It's about nurturing our bodies, enjoying the process, and making mindful choices that contribute to a balanced and fulfilling life. We hope these tips inspire you to try new methods in your kitchen and elevate your culinary skills. From all of us at Thrive, we wish you happy and healthy cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more educational and life-enhancing content. Share your favorite healthy cooking tips with us in the comments below, and let's support each other in achieving our wellness goals.